Hi, I'm Mike from Windows Latest. If you're running into problems installing the June 2025 update for Windows 11, specifically the patch called KB5063060, you're not alone. Many users are seeing errors like 0x800F092 or 0x800700002, and in some cases, the update simply gets stuck during installation. This patch was rushed out to replace an earlier update, KB5060842, which had problems with easy anti-cheat used by games like Fortnite. Unfortunately, the replacement hasn't been smooth either. One user told us their PC gets stuck at 100%, with a spinning circle and a message saying, "Do not power off," but it never actually finishes. Another said the update hits 38% and then rolls back with an error. Some users even lost access to Windows completely and had to reset or reinstall. And it's not just install errors. One reader told us the update froze their taskbar after waking the PC from sleep. It became unresponsive, like a screenshot. Uninstalling the update fixed it. Someone else had File Explorer crash constantly right after the update. They had to wipe their PC and restore from backup. Some gamers hoped this update would fix crashes, but many still report problems. Fortnite and Counter-Strike still freeze for some people. Others saw weird issues like their external monitor turning green and purple over HDMI. One business user said they couldn't access admin mode after the update and had to use a strange trick, putting the PC to sleep, then waking it just to get in. To be clear, most users won't see any of this. But if you are, your best option to uninstall the update. Just head to Settings, Windows Update, Update History, Uninstall Updates. Find KB5063060 and remove it. If it's not there, check for KB5060842 instead. Thanks for watching.